Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming connections and letting the display warm up for 20 to 30 minutes. This stabilizes colors. Once done, open the monitor OSD or your GPU control panel, Intel, NVIDIA, or AMD, and choose the Color or Image Settings menu. Make sure color temperature is set to 6,500 degrees K or neutral, because saturation changes depend on a correct white point. Now, locate the saturation or color intensity slider. Keep initial changes small, around 5–10% to avoid overshoot. You will now make the detailed adjustments. Open a test image with faces and grayscale bars because skin tones reveal oversaturation and grayscale shows clipping. Then move the saturation slider in 5% increments, pausing to inspect each change. This prevents pushing colors too far. While doing this, compare results at different gamma settings, 2. 2 is standard, and tweak contrast if highlights or shadows clip. Make sure to toggle between full screen content and desktop so you see practical results. You finish by saving the adjusted profile or selecting a monitor preset so changes persist. Once saved, verify saturation across web browsers, video players, and photo apps, view at 100% zoom to judge color fidelity, and check different viewing angles because some panels shift color. If colors look off, reset the OSD to the previous preset and repeat small steps. If issues persist, use a colorimeter to calibrate accurately. That tool removes guesswork and fixes hue or saturation shifts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.